first of all, we seeing that what is a discovery, empathize, and define. These are overall introduction. Okay, empathize, defines, ideate, and prototype testing. These are overall UX design. We have a design process. Only they are asking design thinking. That's called empathize, define, ideate, and prototype and testing. Okay, understand? So
Yes, sir.
first of all, we seeing the discovery is what is the problem statement. We show that. So in my the last projects of in my company or the education purpose, this is attendance tracking, and that's the main tool. So what is the problem? They are mainly focused. Students have mainly have in bus tracking, they are struggling with that. And also the another one is node use form. Students compulsory finish the node use form, and the Anna University percentage, attendance percentage of 75 percentage. They needed to see that. So students don't know that one. Okay, yeah, you understand that one. And these are the problem statements. And then empathize. We see the empathize is the qualitative analysis and quantity analysis. So quantitative analysis is all the you see in your Play Store have some applications is based upon the our applications also. They have some reviews, rating points they have. So we are first of all collect our competitive applications. This what is the main drawbacks? They give the one star ratings, 2 star ratings. Below the 3 star ratings, what is the drawback? We have collected and we take some solutions. These are the quantitative research. Okay, take some notes and say I have some difference between this one and that one, and take a note and pen just to wrote it because of it's useful to recall it. So you take it. And then qualitative researchers, the qualitative researchers is mainly focused on interview. What are the interviews you take it? Okay. Well, okay. Wait. We have some give us some activity. You do you have any idea to create the application? Yeah. A newly added JP. JP means what? Okay, sir. JP. So Jagdish. Okay. So, okay. Fine. Okay. Yeah, students, just interact with me. Everyone should be online. If you have any doubt, you chat on this chat box also. Yeah, students, Jagdish, Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you listen the all one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have any idea to create any applications in Play Store? You have any idea?
Mm, no, sir.
First of all, you see main thing. UX is a blueprint to architect the application.
Okay.
Is an example of to build any we build a house. Okay, we build a house where the restroom have, where the living room and where the kitchen. So we have the mainly we focused in the entrance. In the entrance, you have an entrance door. It's and then have living room. Okay, this have a user experience. So all of them have um, living room is a entrance. Okay, that hall is have a entrance. Then we have the entrance in putting our kitchen. Kitchen is a entrance. It's not good. Okay, this have mainly confused. And the entrance we have in our bedroom, it's not good. Okay, we have some rules. We have in UX law have Jacob's law and fit laws. You go and search and UX law. You note it in your notebook. UX law we have study is a compulsory. So I have a show you what is a UX law. Okay, right? Yeah, this is the law of UX. So I have multiple of UX laws. All of them visible. My
No, sir, no.
oh,
The
you didn't
same page.
visible. Okay, 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 okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, now all of visible.
Yeah, now it's visible, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine, fine, fine. These are the law of UX of collections is based on this one. So there have a multiple of laws. We have compulsory follow these laws is the main thing. Okay. Uh, these are the laws, multiple of laws we have. So I say just something the main law. Okay. Fit laws. Fit laws is based upon what? We have go to the WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the main thing. What they can do, they have write the chats. We have communicate with one people to another people. There is no multiple of clicks just to open WhatsApp. Who want to use chat? That's click and you chat and give the green color button. So the send button is have a green color. There have multiple of the main things of color palette is you can see in UA. So I just know fit loss is a what is the size, the what the target what they want to do. Just click the green color button to send the message. That's on in fits law. And Jacob's law also have I show. So this is Jacob's law. So Jacob's law, what they said, Jacob's law, we have you know the Zomato and Swiggy application.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Do you see any difference with that?
Um, no, sir.
No. Okay, fine. There are have same navigation, top navigation, bottom navigation. They have a same because of the user not to interact with different supply. We have used different application. We have used another application. They have don't feel because they are both are same, but they give the some interface stages. They are give same where is the home page, where is the search bar, and where is the card button, where is the order, where is the payment button. This have already say that the architectures is mainly considered is that the information architecture is have we have focused in that. Okay, and we have C. Now the PPT is present for you.
No, sir.
Oh, okay, wait.
No.
Shares. Okay. Yeah, now okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. I already say that taking interview to interact with that. You have any idea to share this to contact with the number. So you share your ideas because we have do is a many UI tasks and many UI projects. The case study is the main thing because in you go to the any company, they compulsory ask the what is your case studies. We doing something is good, and then we have multiple ideas. We need a at least 4 or 5 projects. Okay. First of all, the main case study is using this mobile application, and we need a technology use the another application, and we have do the landing page is called the websites, and then the responsive website we use that. But main thing we need the case studies is following up that designing process. You just remember that empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. These are the main thing what we can do. And then empathy mapping. Yeah. Empathy mapping is based on the we already take the qualitative research. We take some interviews. They know what say things does feels. This we have separate this one. Okay, you understand? Empathize means we take some interview. Okay, what do you think about my application? We ask the interviewer to ask this question. They say, I have no idea about it. This called thing, not this says thing. We just write in says they have no idea. They have say I have idea to deliver the UI is better than to design. They say that we have do in feelings because they have some ideas. These have go to things and feelings. So just to write down to take a 4 columns like says, thinks, does, and feelings. Feelings the main role to make it what the frustration, and things also that take a main role is called good. We have empathize. I have give some yeah I have give some ideas to deliver that one. What is a empathize? What is a deliver? I show in my last finishing of class because you give some ideas to deliver that one, and then create persona. Okay, create persona is based upon the students must be know what the persona. It should be a who you take an interview. Just take any 2 members. Yeah, we have take multiple members to the interview, but we have concentrate with the main users. Okay, main users. We create a persona. Okay, we create a persona and what is their feels and what is their frustrations. Where frustrations of feels is both are one, and what is the goals. The frustrations means they have depressed with application. They have a annoyed with application. They have frustrations with application. They have stress with applications. They have multiple following that one. They don't like that. Don't like the bottom. Don't like the navigation bar or like the applications how they navigate it though. So they have know that one. Okay, the persona is strongly note that where is going. Okay, where they are going that one, where they are doing, how it was going. So that's a main thing of user flows. Okay, and ideate is mostly concentrate with that user stories. The main thing we have in interview. Okay, I have given my experience to say that in interview we have say ourselves intro, and then they say what is the your main projects to case studies, what the you struggle see, what is the main thing you can consider. Okay, and then we say in storytelling, we compulsory say in storytelling. That's the main thing is rule. The user story, how the your applications give the struggles and what is you face it. That's the user story. We have delivered that one. An ideate workshop is based on how your applications first open to end because of the applications start with onboarding. onboarding, I will show that what is onboarding and what is a splash screen and what is advanced screen, what is the home screen, and then I showing it one by one. So don't fear about it. We have friendly talk about the applications and user interfaces also, and um, no, don't take fear. Okay, this have like we are the godfather of the programmer. You understand very thing in the civil engineer we take it, we have give the constructions and blueprint give to them, then they develop and they build the building. Okay, that's like that. We have building, we have give the blueprint of the application, where the applications, where the CTA buttons, where the menu bar, these are the main thing. Okay, I give, and then the main thing of we have a scope document. So scope document, which means we have discussed it with our team. Okay, they have your team have Mohammed and Karthik and Jagdish. These three are is you are the main thing of you are the team. Okay, we are the come to the Besant Technology UI UX designer. Now we are the team. Okay, I am your guider and I am your trainer. I am the friendly to talk about your applications. So don't to fear and please ask any doubt. If you have any doubt with their qualitative or quantitative empathy mapping and persona, user persona. So we have. Do you have any doubt about it? Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what kind of doubt do you have?
No doubt, sir. Clear
No
on it.
doubt. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you understand? Just say. Which freely talk about it. If many more members also don't know, okay, no problem about it. You just say, what do you know? Just only I needed. Because I have developed my communicate with to talk to you. Because the friendly talk about to the persons that only I needed. So what do you understand? What is UA and what is UX? What do you understand?
Mm, in UI, you can use the certain laws like
UX only
yeah,
uses sentence. Okay,
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine.
And in the interview,
Yeah,
they ask the mm,
yeah, storytelling. We
yeah,
say
yeah,
that
yeah,
that's good. Okay, fine, fine.
yeah.
And you know what? The
Um,
empathy mapping is doing the main role. Okay, fine.
okay.
Because we take an interview is must because the
Mm,
UX. I already say that where is the living room, where is the kitchen, that the UX laws is provide.
okay.
So we must be know about it. We have interview. So we need the more details about the user because already the many more applications have. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm,
First, your task, the main task, all students are understand. All students just hear my voice. You have a first star task. Tomorrow you give me a that. You give some problems and take some solution. Is based on if there is any problem. And tomorrow I'm walking, the street was very rush, so I want already seen traffic jam in my applications. So you create a map and see the what is where the traffic jam happened when the green button with the timing. So that's a problem and give the solution. In your house, you just see where you want to go. You just map. Yeah, I'm going to my supermarket. So there have some five traffic signals. Yeah, first, second, and first have traffic, and green buttons should be on in 30 minutes. So how to travel in short time? There is any shortcut without any signals. These are the solutions. Do you understand? Yeah, anybody understands what I am saying? What is the problem and what is the solution?
yeah, yeah,
Your
sir.
application. Yeah, okay.
Understood.
Karthik also, please be interact, and Muhammad Ashik to also interact, and JP also interact because yeah, Karthik.
Sir, in topic written test.
Sorry, what? Your voice is not audible. Please, no problem. You speak in Tamil also, you speak in English also, and any language to know. I have know about the four languages of Telugu, Malayalam, and Hindi also. If you have any doubts, just me ask. Yeah, Karthik, JP, yeah, yeah.
Sir, in the topic written test.
Yeah, you have this PDF too. Know about it. You have study material.
No, sir.
What you needed? Yeah, Karthik.
Sir,
Yeah, Mohammed. Just interact, no problem. Yeah.
nothing, sir. Go on.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, Karthik.
Sir.
Okay,
Okay.
no problem. Yeah, you just text in my chat bot. Just text. Oh, again, I tell me. Okay, okay, okay. This topic is written to tell. Okay. Which topic? Like empathy mapping, or user persona, or qualitative analysis, and quantity analysis. Yeah, which one, Karthik? Empathize map. Okay, fine, 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 fine. Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. Empathy mapping, I already say that the main thing, what if I interview the. Okay, Karthi, audible, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Oh, okay, okay, fine. The qualitative is have no problem. Is have an interview. Take some interview with what your application do. Okay, because I'm just to say already that you have first to take a problem statement with a solution. So that's why I had explained easily. So I just to say what is what. Okay, that's an introduction classes. Don't be suffocated. Okay, you have give the some problem statement. I have reviewed that which one is the UX which one the UX main project, which is a UX mini project, which one UX case study. I just review your problem statement, and then I again take the class to use your problem statement in this one. Okay, so I just take an introduction class. Don't be fear. Okay. So I show what is empathy mapping and what is UA, and everything I show. Okay, no problem. And ideate and user directly go to the prototype. Okay, the information architecture is where the application is run, where the navigations go through the applications. We have first of all I open my mobile phone and this onboarding and the splash screen, and then I skip, and then I directly go to the chat and I click and I type a hi and I send the send button. This have a information architecture, how the application is run, how the status going, where the status is going, and then I see the status and give the mute button to in my status and mark the chats. These are the information architecture. Then the prototype. Prototype is mean that sketch a framework. Okay, first framework we have a multiple options that have low fertility and mid fertility and high fertility. We have a three types of prototyping process. The low fertility is mean like sketching a framework. Sketching a framework is like that. Take a note and pen, just to draw how the applications we have designed. We have a how to our application design, and then next application what the click CTA button, and then directly where this going and where that application is framework, and the low fidelity is make up under our Figma application that take a frame where the images comes and where the text and where the navigations bar, where the search bar, and where the logo is coming. You have compulsory create your logo. I teached compulsory you have with using of AI tools because it's ruling the AI prompt in the interview. So we have cracked the interview with we are using this main case study about that. Okay, and prototyping to prototype is means we have prototyping. We have complete our all the mid fertility and low fertility, and then make it the high fertility. We have give the some colors and where it's going and where the applications is must. Okay, these are the main thing. And test also have feedbacks and what from apart from that, and the team and usability test in as we complete our application with the prototype, we have just test our applications directly of how I'm saying it's directly we have used the we use the mass.com. The application is real time. We have used the real time applications. How I also teach about it, where the you give the link to your friend and they have used, and how I show that I show everything with you. So I already said, and what is a problem statement? They have WH questions methods that have what, how, who, where, when, and we have say H is a how the application is run, what are the applications do, and who are the users, and what is the problems they have. We are writing only this. And user journey, I have say that create a user journey, and the problem statements we have programming that create a user journey. I say we go into a supermarket. First of all, I take my car and key and go to the outside and take right and take left. This how the application is going have user journey. And yeah, anyone ask? Yeah, I show everything. Okay, fine. And then empathize mapping, I say this one, empathize the first stage of design thinking. In the stage, you will kickstart the research, and the qualitative and quantitative research is based upon this empathize. And qualitative research, we say that you kickstart the research, it can identify the competitor. I already say the competitor. You have seen the reviews and feedbacks is based upon Google and Play Store and App Store and Quora. We have multiple platforms. At least we have review. I already say that analyze the reviews and write at least 25 problems. You just write on your quantitative research and the qualitative research, and there is a real users. We have some journey, what the research and what the mobile applications does, the technologies, what is that. That's the main thing. Yeah. Yeah, we have contact with such a users of 3 to 5 persons. We have written an interview with that one, and the empathy mapping. I already say that the two stage to design the prototype of user research, the qualitative and the collaborate with your team, and preparation of empathy mapping for the each other. And persona is the 60 to 70% statement of common what we take the frustrations and goals in your application. I show that you the last class how we have created. Okay, and the best practice on preparing of user persona to deliver that one. And user stage is a third stage of designing, give the solutions and goals and frustration statements. We give the solution with that difference between the two of unique stories. and workshop is read the user persona 3 2 times. The team members I already say that JP, Karthik, Mohammed, JP is have we are the team members. So we have any idea to the actually have uh, Jagdish have some application and also Karthik have some application, Mohammed some application, JP have some applications. We have give some ideas to give the any features. If I already say the user journey is how I already say we go to the any grocery of any shopping mall. What we can do one by one, we have write the step by step. So it's basically the Jagdish project also involvement this user journey and like that the shopping any grocery shop. Okay. And the user is mainly a target with achieve the goal. I already said that the main point to the user point. Okay. First thing, the user info, and he want to go to the 5 kilometers of any supermarket. Okay. What is the problem they face? That's the main thing. Just he take the car key and go to out of the house and take the car and for the Google map, the where you want to go in. That's one by one we have mapping is by a grocery, user journey. First thing, by a grocery with big basket journey map. It's like that. Okay, everyone the screen is present.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. First, we have plan to buy a grocery. It's like that. Check available. First of all, we need take a checklist. Into what kind of foods we want to, what kind of groceries we want to buy, and list prepare. Buy to choose this shop. Which shop we want to? Because the one shop is in another the 5 kilometers, another shop is another 10 kilometers. Is similar to the next near the street. There's have multiple shops near. Check available money, how much budget we needed, and get ready. So take a shopping bag and take a money and changing clothes and take a vehicle. Okay, these are the similar daily routines. Okay, and communicate is take a vehicle and drive vehicle and cross the signal and looking for a parking and parking. These are the my previous students take a project like that. Which one is parking area. So already booking the parking area because in the some areas like that in Chennai we have some malls. Malls have the parking slot area. We already reserved this place. Reserved the place. So the reservations is already is present. So no problem. We can no struggle to which place we want to parking. That we have already booked the parking place. So no problem. We have directly go and park our vehicle and cross the signal we mainly needed in Jagdish project. How many signals we are crossing these places and no need any signals. We need to alternate route that are very close to and very shortcuts to that route. So like that and take your basket and add the grocery items, basket and checklist and step to followed up, ensure the listener to taking and the standing in queue and waiting for return system. Everything is similar to opposite that one. We have already written what we have get ready to communicate to keep safe. Okay, they have we needed to our applications, mainly the user journey and the emotion rating. So we have to checklist is not a fair because we have many applications have to buy Zepto, Blinkit, and Uber. Like that, many more applications. We have Big Basket also. We have the mobile applications. We have directly purchased in our home. But many more members have traditional purchase and online purchase. For traditional person, touch and feel. And the online purchase is just similar that we have written it. We have multiple stress like that. So the main project, what do you want to do? Okay, and mainly I am already said that looking for parking. Looking for parking is the mainly struggles most of them facing. So we already book it, so no problem, and pay by cash or card. It's the main thing, and we have already applications. We have the UPI ID and GP, PhonePe, and G Wallet. Everyone should know, I think so. Wallet also now NFC code to approve to pay the amount, and then journey mapping of parking vehicle. It's projects of the students. So check your calendar and schedule. So what you want to do here these projects also we have to put it. So alternative routes map. Okay, that's like that. So we have first of all what do you want, where we want to go. Uh, here ready to where we want to go like the shopping, where we want to go. This have a traffic. Here the signal. Here the signals. Yeah, crossing and signal crossings. I'm looking for parking. Looking for the parking is not me. The crossing signals and driving the vehicle. How many speed breakers? How many um, signal board? How many road boards have in the road? How many toilet have? We have crossing any districts we have some toilet, and we have similar how many checking police checkings we have to take, wear the helmet, wear the seat belts. We have to give some alternatives to inculcate. And we have reached this place, then return to the house. What is the another alternative routes? Okay, everyone should understand. The students just interact with me. I give them more information, so no problem. Students,
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
yeah, okay, okay. Everyone should understand or I repeat again.
You can repeat it again, sir.
Okay. Fine, fine, fine. Okay. User journey. How the user journey? The user, you like Jagdish is a user. Okay. Jagdish is a user. Just take a mobile. He go to his applications for alternative routes. Okay. Alternative routes. Just open the application, and then he want to go to the near supermarket or any malls. Okay, we have go to the mall because supermarket already we have seen. So we have to go there any PVR mall and Phoenix mall like that. We have a mall. So if you want to route, so alternate routes. We have a signal the PVR mall Wednesday so that's route. It's a very complicated because most of the traffics we have to see. What is the alternative routes we have to see? So I don't know like that the routes correctly. So we have the alternate route directly go to the parking slot. So we have no need to the entry in the entrance. We have go to directly go to the parking lot have in the back side. So that's have no traffics and no signals. In the in rural areas in very rush timing. In evening timing and morning timing we want to go. So we are this very struggles to meeting a any parking lot. So alternative routes we have to give. And what are the signals? When the signals are green color, when the signals are red color, and wear the helmet and wear the seat belts and give the awareness to these applications. So first we want to plan go to mall. Okay, plan to go to mall. Just why we want to go to mall? Just visit go to the movie. Like go to the movie, we have to book in the applications tab. Book my show. It's a Paytm movies of the multiple district app, district Zomato. That's app of the booking the movie application. So the one application can rule totally the another applications. Yeah, I say that only the book my show have only book the movie or any cricket matches of any uh, concert to book the district app or the book my show of anyone. But in the alternative routes applications we have multiple things. Yeah, so parking lot, we can give the features of parking lots, and we can give the features of movie booking and the payments, and we buy the snacks,
and we want to go already booking in Fun City, have booking our slots to play this game. We have multiple options and features to give that. So alternative routes, that is go directly we go. How many petrol bunks have? Where is the puncture? The mechanic shop? Where is the vehicle mechanic shop? We have the alternative choice to that one. So no problem, no issues. So one by one, we have planned our applications, how the user travel in your applications. What is the you first of all travel? The designer first of all travel application, then how the users are the travel in these applications. So there is no difference between them. First of all, you take the drawbacks and what are the negative and what are the positive to give the users to click on the one clicks buttons. So what we mainly concentrated with Jacobs first. So product design is a UI, UX, the UX. Okay, the main thing. And service design stuff, customer experience designs, and the process designs and space designs. These are the mainly complicated. So how to we want to find the product design and service design. So we easily do what is the UX designs and what is the UI design, the product designs. Mainly, we know that. Before that, the customer experience, that's the user then. How the customer experience in real time, that is called the experience designs is our user journey. And the process design, the phase designs, which means how this process the car is going on the way and take a ground, how the process that we have a minimal signals and the traffic jams. I very struggled with that. So time delayed. I don't inform to my like HR because I have a claim meeting this one. So that's the process design. Okay, everyone understand? And then the experience designs based upon, I already said that the mobile application, the web application is called the product designs. So how the best practice and the framework we have to the UX and the UI, sorry, and UX is the process to design thing. And what is the product? Everyone we know that what is the product? The product is all that we know that the product or the taste from shampoo and so this is the e-commerce platform, so multiple of things is called the product. Yeah. And then what is the product? The user people. The fulfill what need the solutions to a problem. Yeah. I give some example in 2000 some the 2000 timing there some clinic plus shampoo. Everyone should give the bottle of shampoo. That time, the great revolution of the shampoo industry, the Clinic Plus shampoo only give the packet shampoo in 1 rupee and 2 rupee. Now it's 2 rupee, and this 20th time it should be under 50 paise and 1 rupee also. It's a great revolution. So mostly the rich people, they not consider the rich people. That it also go to the poor people's go to the shampoo also they can use. So they give the packet shampoo. So you know that the history. Anyone know that the history? The students, you understand or you listening? So I
Yes, sir.
need. Uh, yeah, you know the history, Jagdish.
What's up?
You know that the history. The shampoo, bottle shampoo to evolution make it the packet shampoo.
No, sir. No.
Okay, the clinic plus give the product how the fulfill the need and solve their problem. So the poor people cannot purchase the bottle of shampoo. It's rupees of 50 rupees, 70 rupees in fees. Yeah, but he give the 1 rupee and 50 paise shampoo. The everyone should. So that's the product and solution. How to give the solution and what is the problem we have to find. That's the main thing. And the product right fit. In desert, we use a shelter. It's a good thing? No, it's not a good thing. In the woolen cloth, everyone should use the leather, it should be an wool and the right fit. The problems we give the shampoo to the where no need a shampoo. In desert area, very the summer and very sunny area, Iskar give we have to give the shelter to everyone. No, don't want to purchase that one. So it's not a right fit. So it's a solutions also, but not a right fit these places. So yeah, in Africa, in the Zomato is introduced in India, it should be in Zomato in Africa. So they have it's not popular in that one. But the solution is correct, the problem is correct, but not right fit in this one. Okay, the product fits. So everyone the scope of foods. First of all, they give the box 3-in-1 mix and milk powder, sugar, and tea. No need purchase any another one. So purchase one by one like that. Don't need any milk and any sugar and tea. 3-in-1 is a product kit. Okay, and glasses. The UV glasses is purchased. And this Facebook we can use the right email to what we want to. And the product evolution, just everyone should understand in um, Italy floor. We have to beat Italy floor, where Italy floor. So we have to first of all home and we have to buy in the neighbor. So we make it in homemade. Everything homemade. Now every since Italy before so have everyone should make a company and it's a new market to involve. So what do you think about this one? Anyone can answer. What do you think about it? Yeah, Karthik and Suman and Jagdish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what do you think about this product evolution? Yeah, you have any idea? Just interact with the so no problem. என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் இவ்வளவு பெருசா நார்மலா வீட்ல மாவு செய்யறதுதான் வீட்ல எப்பவுமே நார்மலா இட்லி மாவு தோசை மாவு செய்யறது இப்ப அந்த செய்யற வேலையில இருந்து லெஸ் பண்ணி அந்த அவங்கள வந்து முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் நம்ம இப்படி ஒரு லேசியாவே கன்வெர்ட் வித் த லேசி பீப்புள்ஸ் டு டெவலப் தேர் நோ நீட் டு pure rice and dal. No need to use electricity and no need to use the grinder anymore. The work process is very simple. Just go and buy a 30 rupees flour. Yeah, you can any idea about it. It's a revolution. The product revolution. Okay, evolution, not a revolution. Sorry, evolution. Okay, new product. Evolution. So this like that. First of all, food directory. The Zomato should be a food directory. Just we have a food in this place. You have this place that only. That's a directory. In we have to purchase in Muniandi Villas that have a simple this one. And this bakery have this cake. You can go and purchase in this rate. That's only in 2008 and 2014. In 2015, it should be evolved. Evolve what? Delivery. We have delivery also. If you want, we have delivery and train out the best. Okay. But directly from the entry, the biggest smoother entry, like a commercial cinema, the hero entry, like the 2014, the Swiggy is come to entry with going strong, we directly go to delivery and competitor, the heavy competitor of the Zomato is the main thing. So we want to know that how we travel in long time, that's not a matter. How we solve the problem from the user. Now, I already said that what, why, who, where, and plus how to the product. What? what is the problem or we are solving. So like that, we have take example of Genvis, the alternative routes. So what is the problem we are solving? The problem is we have a traffic jam, so the traveling time is very long, and we have that go to the office in correct time and punctually. So I take a stipends and to the client. I no need any hike because I'm not proper and punctual. They have many more struggles. There is no promotions because I'm not in punctual. So this is a mainly it's not a little problem. It's a very huge problem. So what is the problem we are solving? So who are solving and what are the solving is mainly focused on, yeah, everyone should solving it for who are we solving. We mainly concentrate with school, colleges and employees. The mainly we concentrate with and what are the so the IT employees directly go to the 10 o'clock and students have directly go to the 9:30. The school will be at 50 kilometers, the office will be at 10 kilometers. The parent should drop the student in 5 kilometers and he want to go to the another to the 10 kilometers for to travel is up to a half an hour. And in the traffic period, is should give on the 10 kilometers away. So the traffic is give the time schedules up to the 1 hour, 1.5 hour. The punctual time he will not take it. So just scheduling which place have traffic, which place have mainly they go to in places how we want to solve. Okay, and why are we solving the problem? Why? Yeah. Anyone say why we want to solve the problem? Everyone just interact. So I give a lot of information to you. Just interact. Give a lot of information. Take with me. So just interact. No problem. If you right or wrong, that's not a matter. Just talk because the UX designer interview just say like a storytelling in real time examples. So, how do you speak and develop your communication skill with an interview? Just will track the interview. So, you just know and interact with in group discussions. Also, no need to stuff and no your that to speak to anyone. I am the one and only the good speaker of communication. Okay, that's only you have developed your communication. Just interact with me. Yeah, students.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just say why we want to solve this problem.
Save timing, sir.
Yeah, save timing. Another Karthik and Suman. Yeah, Suman, are you here?
Yes, sir. To
Yeah,
improve,
okay. Yeah,
when we solve the problem, user will automatically increase, sir. Users count. Like
yeah,
if we
yeah,
solve the problem in any app, then only they will use that app. Otherwise, they will take alternative
right.
option to use the app.
Yes, it's a solving of the wide thinking of user reviews. It's like a quality analysis. You should I appreciate it, but I ask why we are solving the problem. You say the UX problems to many more of clients and many more users, many more consumers. Sorry, many more applications to users. So, most of them using that's a UX loss, UX experience to know that. But why we are solving this problem is save the time, save the timing. That's right. A simple, just say simple. Don't to elaborate with the long of times. Okay. So I appreciate it to you talk that one. So how we are going to solve the problem? எப்படி நம்ம இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்ணுவோம் using a to develop a application. Yeah, right? Right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Uh, sorry. இந்த ஆப்பை யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம இதை சால்வ் பண்ண போறோம். என்னென்ன சால்வ் பண்ண போறோம்? டிராஃபிக் ஜாம்ல இருந்து இது பண்ண போறோம். அப்புறம் அல்டர்னேட்டிவ் நம்மளே ரூட் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம், ரூட் கொடுக்க போறோம். அங்கே என்னென்ன டிராபிக்ஸ் இருக்கு, அங்கே ஏதாவது கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் ஒர்க் ஆகுதா, இல்ல ரோட் ரீகன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்றாங்களா, இல்ல ஏதாவது போராட்டம் அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது நமக்கு ஏதாவது க்ரௌட் இருக்கா, அந்த மாதிரி ஃபுல்லா அனலைஸ் பண்ணி. ஸோ we have a tracking by the sensors a big thing, but we need just to do it real time examples. We have to do something else. Okay, no problem. And then what is the goal we do want to achieve? What is the goal we need? See, our goal is to clear the not clear the profits. Just we walk through the passage. Just we go to up and what we want to do, and we have go to the office directly with the punishment and take the hike and take the promotions and something else and take the another positions to grade to achieve a main thing. So these are the main goal achievements we needed. And what is the product? Other solutions and the targets application and the problems of the problems. And by giving them strategies, we know that the problems of many things. And then the problem statements, the product, in order to the interest of living the business, limits and business, both of them. And the product, we will solve the target. Who are the target? Indian homemakers. It should be on the online network platform for the homemakers and small businessmen. Okay, an Indian woman's for the products almost like a home, mini business, small business. And solving thing we have find the user problem. What is the problem? Finding the part-time job and managing the small business. These are the problem. By giving them what the strategy, homemakers networks platform that lead and then they find the job sell them. That's all. The products will then learn and teach the new skills among themselves. Then I already said that what is the 4W plus H in this wiki. Wiki is the extraordinary giving the UX research and the UI business, the extraordinary things, the pain points. So what is the problem they have? The restaurant uh, find it difficult to identify the delivery boys. There is no delivery boys in the restaurant. That's the main thing we have purchased and invested on the vehicles and insurance maintenance and tracking the delivery and additional resources for managing the delivery boys and building system. Delivery boy are also taking directly billing and take the money and give to the hotels and residences and restaurants. And whom the primary customer are consumers and travelers, delivery persons. And why the missions have changed to the way the Indian states are for the serving and there is for customers better is also the term of numbers. These are the main problems facing the families in making them foods. Yeah, understand so everyone so how they are solving the problem. Yeah, you just share this PDF to your group. Just follow up and what is the goals? We know that the multiple choice of choosing the foods and we have multiple cuisines. So we have chosen directly order and go to directly the home deliveries. The way the product is of user experience is the main thing. And tune to the user designers and fall in love and with the problems. Okay, and then I give the identify the three unique problems and implement WH questions and WH questions and to prepare the products statement for the three unique problems. Yeah, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but I need a five unique problems. Okay, R should be in three. We have to a case study and multiple staff websites and responsive websites and landing pages and dashboard. We need a many more things of at least a four projects to complete because of some companies to need a responsive websites and some companies need the dashboards and some companies need the case study with a study of UI. That's totally there needed. So, but some more companies needed only UX and some something. Sorry. Other company have needed have UI designers. So it's have similar and you can do both of them So you need a case study. So you can do it the balance to UA and UX. So this is the main thing we need a case studies. So these are identify three unique problems and implement the four WH questions. So and then I had with the Maslow's Henry Sutherland. He's the father of gymnastics psychologists. So what are the psychology? Yeah, everyone to brief to go to the another topic, or we want to drop and discuss the many more. Yeah, students.
You can discuss the many more, sir.
Oh, okay. Can I stop this topic and we see the next week classes? Just
Okay.
I go through and what is have. Okay, and then we see the because of multiple things, we have minimum three of mobile application UX matrix. So we have this matrix. So we have see the multiple things. So just I go through what it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and then we have discussed about the applications and your problem statements. I just we have discussed what you have idea and just the problem statement. Still now we have discussed with that. So no problem with that. Okay. Okay, just I go through in this one, so no problem. Okay. Maslow is a psychology father of theology. So what are the apologies like that? For example, the food, water, breathing, and concentration centers, clothing, and sexual reproductions. For the further examples, I just show in safety. These are the what the IT needed, and these are the safeties: financial security, health wellness, safety against of accidents and injuries, and finding a job, and health insurance. Of everything have application. Everything have a mobile application. Everything have a websites. Everything. But one thing you have noted, ACO. You know the ACO insurance application. Yeah, students.
No, sir.
No, it's a insurance. It's a insurance car insurance
Yeah,
application. Yeah, you know that. Yeah, that's the applications is have only we have use yearly ones. The insurance should be a not a monthly. It should be an yearly ones. This application why we want to use. No need to install. This have only in websites. That's the install should be a failure, but multiple of persons use in the 1 year platform, but not daily using. In Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, and Threads, and also YouTube, Facebook, and social multiple of social media using the daily routines. They have to spend in the social media daily routines and car insurance, bike insurance, health insurance. It should be everything on just only 1 year. So that's only uh, PhonePe, GPay, and the multiple of the transactions using this idea to implement the features of um, health insurance, car insurance, bike insurance, everything have home insurance, so shop and everything, property insurance, everything is should be on this right. So, and what the love will be like. So without that pyramid, we want to see love means we have a dating app, multiple of dating app. If you use or not use, but in your company is like a matrimony, like a matrimony, like a matrimony. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's like a matrimony or any like that. The family and the social group and communicating group. It's like these are the examples, right? And what is the self system means? Academic like athletics, personal hobbies. You like to example. I show every examples. and less conquer with people options to another concurrency. So getting job is confirmation of the job and part of the understanding the team is based upon the mapping with the job. Okay, what you lovable to understanding the team is a love and belong. And the confirmation of the job is safety. And getting the job is secret. And this employee of the weekend month is a self system and the appraisal is a self isolation. The Swiggy, Zomato, food and water supply, these are this one, and bank, insurance, and house buy, rent, travel, these are the safety. And matrimony and dating is the love and belonging, and self-esteem is called as the social media, and the self-affection is common yoga app, daily fitness app. These are called as the this method. Uh, if you have any doubt with that,
No, sir.
No, sir.
yeah, yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, okay. And then the assignment is based upon everyone should mapping of media. I give the most assignments. I give the assignments of this one in the 5 days, 5 days week. I compulsory needed because we had discovered with the next week classes. I need compulsory and the permit the framework to the user effects and traffics. So just your application, I give the share the systems and experience and task objectives what they needed. Yeah, just make it mapping of the light and switch. Like that, the functional means press the switch, lights on. What the label, the light should be an indicator. And usable is easy to identify a switch. And for instance, is easy to access the switch. And pleasurable means the light should be an pleasant and meaningful. Do we need light? That's a uniform. And the functions, functional, reliable, usable is a process of categories. There's no bugs and need any errors or now stages of communication technologies using this and the including of all key features. And also we need the working the all model process. So these are the categories and what is the usable and what is the reliable and what is the convenience and pleasurable, meaningful. So these are the UX thinking is understanding the product thinking and sorry, yes, the user what they are thinking, the human resources, human needs and product thinking and these are the triangle theory. This was the triangle theory for connected with one to each other, but not directly connected with another three in one. Okay, so last one, like a Hotstar. Hotstar is what is a function? It's a streaming to any what like that videos and serials and movies and sports is mainly are reliable to the video quality and the language extension. What the usable can explore the content easily. What the convention is continue watching and preferably means we use for the sports and channels and we have TV on hand. Okay, so these are also a simple problem statement do. Okay, the health conscious people are facing problem to buy a organic food product. This is the problem statement. First problem statement. You understand that? So and then the PG gas and founding the difficult vitamins. Yeah, and then salon customers to find it difficult to find their good salons, their haircut, and visitor of patients facing the difficult to parking the vehicle, and then around the hospital. And working parents are facing the problem to finding the good experience of teachings of good contour. And these are the simple problems. Yeah, everyone should understand. Yeah, students, I already said to be just interact with me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what do you understand? What are the problems you have faced? Not the particular applications you have faced. I just asked if you are an employee, you have to struggle with go to the punctual timing, and you have find to the PG hostels and make food, and you have very struggle to what are the struggles we have find, and what are the struggles we have faced in day to day life? I'm struggling to go to the bus to at the proper time. If you are in Chennai, you have Challar. If you have to in Coimbatore, the metro cities, you have some applications. But in local area like that, Madurai, Tiruchi, Tirunelveli, Tindakal, these have sites not to the proper where the bus is coming, where the local bus, where the route bus, and where the private bus is coming in the on time. You don't know the timing, so that's a problem. So let's have multiple of problems we have found, and then it, and then the social issues. The students will find trouble to choosing a career. There's have some social issues. And the Royal Challengers Bangalore teams of inconsistency performance in all the IPL season. And these are simple statements is don't we don't do like these simple statements. Like and the roadside sailors are facing struggles during rain days and floods. So, and government issues, what are the main problems? It's changing the address on all identity proof after shifting new resident in difficulties. Okay. And then donations in blood. What are the, we have struggling to difficulties to blood donors. We found the blood donors. And these are the some donations, and these are the some issues. So in this template, we have compulsory to say in minimum of 7 problems. I just give the 5 problems. Okay, the template. So you have so users to find the difficult or facing the problems. What the facing of problems, what they are finding the difficult. That's a task and activity. And this is students Danya shows, and the people with low financial literacy, and this have the give the 5 problems. She give the 5 problems, and we have chosen just 2 problems like that. Financial industries and freshers are facing the difficult tool learning tools and methods of integrations with the particular use case with timing with government environment is based upon the financial industries in freshers to facing what the learning tools and methods of integrative is like that LinkedIn, Intershala, Indeed, and multiple of Jobly, and multiple of applications like students freshers have don't know about the financial industries. But we have the in application this only the IT employees mainly targeted Indeed, Intershala, and Indeed mainly targeted the IT sectors, not in the financial. Yeah, Mohammed, you mark the attendance. Yeah, okay. And small macrony business owner. Macrony means just like home design, like in wall to face the walls, like in it's like a cloth designings. And one look like a mobile applications to improve the business management and empathize to quality, confusion, and focus. So they have approached with the small based interest, small business owners to facing that cash flows due to the delay of customers' payments. So multiple of problems like this. And financial advisors who struggle there manage to claim portfolio in single appraisal and dashboards. Dashboards is based upon graph like pie chart and bar chart and multiple of in cricket field also use the charts. So you know that, and these are the main things. So, and then the last one is the personal. She is the professional singer, and singers are struggling to keep the practice and routines to daily basis after lack of supports and yeah, these have these are the problems. Yeah, these are the problems she faced, and this give the templates. So how to you give? You have some get some ideas. I said I already gave what is the product thinking and on the user journey, and nobody can user journey is projects also. You have compulsory give the 5 problem statement in what you face it. Yeah, you understand. Yeah, Jagdish and Sumant, Karthik and Mohammed. Yes, you have understand or not because you have no idea about it. Just give that one, and then Sumant only share these projects, and yeah, only Sumant only share this one. Yeah, what about Jagdish?
Sir, I have written in note only, sir. Not
Yeah,
like
just
someone.
take a photo or just take a photo and share with my personal number. I see and review. I need first of
Oh,
all the main thing.
okay,
No,
okay, sir.
you have any problem about the share in group or no problem. You just share in my number to private number. I convert into the word and no problem.
Okay, sir. That's it.
Yeah, okay. And then Karthik, Karthik, what about you?
சார் நோட்டு தான் சார் அது நோட்ல தான் சார்
Okay, no problem. Just take a photo and send to me a personal number and what you do. And Muhammad,
சார் ஐ ஹேவன் டன் சார் ஐ டூ பை டுடே சார்
tomorrow you submitted. Yeah, I give the assessment. If you have any doubt, there is a recording section. So you go and see the recording session, and then you have any doubt to clarify with me, you contact with me in after the class. Okay.
ஓகே சார்
Okay, fine. Manage it. Yeah, Jagdish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. I like this one. And the healthcare have main rural areas lack of time to access the quality and medical service. So insufficient of infrastructures of healthcare professionals. Yeah, like that. And I just wait. And urban areas putting their habit and populations of closing institutions and gas system, increasing their traffic consistency, allowing to move to time and higher populations. Okay. In customer service of many avenues will struggle to provide the timely applications to multiple channels and resulting in slow customers. Non-linear. Uh, yeah, good. Yeah, Jagdish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you give the 4 problem statement. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And first of all, what do you understand the 4 problem statement? Just explain one by one.
In healthcare, in small areas and rural areas, affecting cannot get the medical support, sir. and medical infrastructure like hospitals, medicines, is affected to get in small areas like rural areas. And second is in urban planning, rapid pollution growth in cities cause increased traffic congestion. A lot of people growth in cities in growth, increased traffic congestion leading to longer community times and a higher population. It means a lot of crowds in traffic in rural urban areas. We increase the traffic congestion and it makes the higher population levels. In a lot of customer service.
And the second one, you have a pollution levels.
Traffic. Yeah.
Okay, traffic. Okay, the traffic have multiple are standard in multiple times. They on the car and if have a start and they have a multiple pollutions in some areas, urban area. Yeah, good. You have on to and then in problem statement and you have some solution. You have any solution about in urban planning in population and traffic and healthcare. In healthcare professionally in rural areas. You have any solution about in two problems? What are the solutions?
1 second, sir.
Yeah, wait. I wait.
I have tried the healthcare, sir.
Healthcare, yeah.
Solution by improving the healthcare infrastructure, increasing in incentives for professionals to work in rural areas, and utilizing telemedicine technologies.
Okay.
And
I explained. Wait a minute. That's a government issues, and that's not good. I already said in previous slide. I already said that. So just I have to give some ideas. So you have in this healthcare, some infrastructures are not in rural areas. So we have consistency. You have that. டைரக்டா நம்ம வந்து நம்ம டோக்கன் போட்டு நம்ம இப்ப வெளியூர் இப்ப மதுரை அந்த மாதிரி ஏரியாவுக்கு நம்ம போனோம்னா டாக்டரை வந்து டைரக்டா அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் புக் பண்ணிட்டு பார்க்க முடியாது. சோ நம்ம அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் புக் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு டைம் கொடுப்பாங்க, அவங்கதான் நமக்கு டைம் கொடுப்பாங்க. சோ அந்த டைம்ல தான் நம்ம டாக்டரை போய் கன்சல்ட் பண்ண முடியும். சோ இது ஒரு கன்சல்டன்சி மாதிரி. இந்த அப்ளிகேஷன் நீங்க எப்படி கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம்னா டாக்டர்ஸ் வந்து லைவ் சாட் பண்ணலாம். யூ ஹேவ் கிவ் த சம் டேக் அ ரெஃபரன்ஸ் இன் அப்போலோ ஹாஸ்பிட்டல். Apollo Hospital have in particular only Apollo doctors only present in that application. They have paid, they have token, they have give the appointment order in what date and what timing they needed, the user needed. That's day what doctors is free. Like I don't know, like that the dental doctors or ortho and any child specialist. Just like that, some categories, you give the some categories and filters and short in applications. I just say you take a user flow. This is like I said the user flow. You know, first of all, you give the login button and user what are the problems. If the patient is a older patient, it's like that he have a sugar, so he don't need to travel in long distance. So he want to consistency to a doctor, to consult with the doctor. So it's a live chat. Directly give the live chat to the older people. Yeah, you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. You give the some. You give directly to approach the doctor what timing and what the fees to doctor to give, and he give also some prescriptions. What kind of food you needed and what, and then previous documents you can upload it. Yeah, you understand? In a sugar patient, have the previous documents to hospital gives what the sugar level and what is that what is what. That's like what the pressure, what is the sugar level, and what is the consistency they have maintained, and what the tablet they have consistently to eat. Before the meal, after the meal, they have give some documents and give some details to register. In registrations, with before the login, we give the registration. What is the weight and what is the height and what is the problem and give the categories. You give the some ideas. You get the some ideas from the Apollo applications and have many more applications in becomes. Today we have discussed about now the healthcare. Yeah, healthcare professionals. Okay, just wait. I'll share. Yeah, students, everyone to visible this slide. Yeah, students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a healthcare mobile application. Okay. In rural, you already said the rural areas, the peoples have don't travel to how to we have see the hospital. There is no infrastructure. You just yeah, this is what is the rules and what they have used in user search and productivity and multiple things. And what is the problem statement? Is that everyone who lives in busy and don't want to waste the time of use and sometimes the medical centers are concentrated for health use. These are the problems. So how to the maintain and lag the persons to the find the problems to the doctor in area. In particular area there is no doctor. In Madurai they have some Rajaji hospital. I have multiple skincare hospitals. If the all the hospitals, all the doctors in one application is a very good idea. You understand? So what is the area you are? So this you are the now you are in Trichy and the multiple doctors have in Trichy. So all are in one application and Madurai and Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli and Ramanathapuram have multiple have in their applications. So multiple doctors in one applications and Vellore and whatever in Tamil Nadu, multiple of doctors in one applications. It's a good thing to um, approach the doctor and they empathize and define ideas that design and yeah, ideate and prototype and have a prototype and testing. These are and what they take a survey. Just take a survey. How many people have in hospital area to waiting? How many people are using the applications? So this have take survey and what are the competitors? That I already said Apollo and Hill and BookDoc and MDoc and also Practo. So these are the competitors, direct competitors. I today class about it. What this one and user persona, take a user persona. I directly go to the uh, this is a mid fertility. So this is a mid fertility, not a high fertility. This is a high fertility. So yeah, Jagdish,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you see this application to appointment and video consult.
Yeah.
So what are the problems? Doctors have healthcare, dental, and I don't know what
Mm.
these words. These are some technical words. So what are the menus they have used? And WhatsApp prescriptions are called on WhatsApp and what the order in anyone like that, like any medicines, any injections to order. So this is a way to order and just send the PDF, what the documents you have, and the another slide, the doctors are relevant to you, what the dental or whatever. And where is the problem, like eye or any contacts to any veins like that? And which timing you have booked the doctor, like morning or afternoon or evening? You have appointment and payment to that doctor. To the payment 500 or 200. Minimum budgets have 200. So which language you have preferred, Hindi, English or Telugu, that Tamil, like that one, and then confirmation to contact the hospital and pay the and download the PDF. You have completed your that one. You have downloaded the PDF and these are the mockups. Yeah, you have get some ideas, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Jagdish, that's the one problem statement. You
Yeah.
have some see the multiple problem statements and you whatever. Wait a minute. Yeah, you give on the urban areas to traffic. We already see that the traffic
Yeah, yeah,
application.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
right one. And
Hmm.
then the traffic and third one. Just explain what about the third one. We have what you think. Just share. Wait a minute. The third one problem statement. What you understand? What do you have idea and results?
I think இந்த கஸ்டமர் சர்வீஸ் இப்போ நம்ம கஸ்டமர் சர்வீஸ் கால் பண்ணி ஒரு விஷயம் கேட்குறோம்னா அவங்க மல்டி ஒர்க்ல இருக்காங்க, வெயிட் பண்ண சொல்லிட்டு இட் மேக் 4 to 5 hours ரீகனெக்ட் வித் சப்போர்ட் டீம்.
Process வந்து delay ஆகும், right?
ப்ராசஸ் டிலே ஆகுது.
If like that in Justil, you know the Justil,
வாட்ஸ் சார்?
Justil websites, you know.
நோ 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 சார்.
Okay, Justin websites is based upon what you want, you take the contact. If you want to any nearby any restaurant to order the food without any applications for food applications, food delivery application, take the number. So this customer service is based upon in Just Dial. We have any business ideas, we have directly consider this is the consistency of customer service. If we have small business, we have any small business, there is no contact with the large huge amount. If like that ஒரு சின்ன சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட் கூட இல்லாம ஒரு சின்ன மளிகை கடை மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, so that have a small scale business.